Hello everyone, it's me Jennifer with Jennifer Sewing and Crochet. Today's video we're going to continue with the Learning to Crochet video series. We'll be showing you how to do the treble crochet, which is abbreviated TR, or it is also known as the triple crochet stitch. Okay, so what we're first going to do is you're going to start out with the required number of chains for your pattern. We are going to start with 10 crochet plus the 4 turning chains needed. You're going to, let me actually zoom you in just a notch so we can see just a little better. Okay, so you're first going to want to start by yarning over once and twice. So yarn over 2 times and you will have 3 loops on your hook. You're going to insert your hook into the 5th chain from your hook. So it is 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So insert your hook into the 5th chain. Right like that. You'll have 4 loops on your hook. You will yarn over, pull through the first loop for 4 loops on your hook. Then you will yarn over again, pull through the first, pull through the first 2 loops. You'll yarn over again, pull through the next 2 loops, and then you will yarn over the final time and pull through the last 2 loops. And that is your first treble or triple crochet completed. We will continue on to the end. Yarn over twice, insert into chain, yarn over, pull through the chain loop, yarn over, pull through first 2, yarn over, pull through next 2, yarn over, and pull through the final 2 for 2 treble crochets made. And let me continue to the end and I will show you how to turn your work. Keep getting stuck. Yarn over twice, insert into chain, yarn over, pull loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Have a few more to go. Oops. I don't typically use a treble crochet when I crochet. It's not one of my favorite stitches, but I am working on a pattern that does use triple crochet right now. That will be shown on my channel in a few weeks' time. It is going to be a gift for a friend, so I can't show it yet. Okay, so we are now in the last chain. Okay, so there is your first row of treble crochet complete. The turning chain in this particular tutorial will not count as a stitch. Okay. So I'm going to turn my work first. Being that the turning chain is so long, I like to turn my work first so I know that the chain will not twist. Okay, so to continue on, you're going to chain 4. So 1, 2, 3, and 4. And you're going to, some people will count this chain as a stitch, but in this case the turning chain is not counted as a stitch. So you're going to place your first stitch right in the last treble crochet of row 1, and it is in this part right here. So you're going to yarn over twice, insert your hook right into there. Make sure you have both loops on your hook. Yarn over, 4 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through first 2, yarn over, pull through your next 2, yarn over, and pull through your final 2. Again, we will continue on to the end, and I have a hair stuck in there, sorry about that. Into the first, or into the next chain. Yarn over twice, into the next chain, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, and pull through final 2. Okay. I just noticed I have a hangnail right there, and my nails look absolutely horrible. I am in between applying nails, giving them a little break. So please excuse my ratty looking nails. Okay, we're almost to the end again. Okay, so we were now at the last one, and like I said previously, the turning chain is not considered a stitch. So yarn over, and you're going to insert into the top of the last one, and that was, sometimes that loop will be kind of long, so you place it in, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over again and pull through your final 2. And that is 2 completed rows of treble crochet. And to continue on, you will turn your work, chain 4, and keep working your piece until it reaches the desired size that you want. Thank you very much for coming to watch my video. The next video I will be showing you how to do stitch multiples. We will also be talking how to do a gauge so you can plan your work. Please stay tuned for that video. If you do like my videos, please give it a thumbs up down below. Subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time. Bye-bye.